at Carvana, and this is the coin.
Today we're buying a car from Carvana and it's going into the...
It's above your head.
Wow, that's...
Yeah, something happened.
Oh. Whoa.
It's like a gumball machine.
What if it gets stuck?
Then it ain't get no car.
Oh.
What do you say, Tutu? Honey?
Pretty cool.
Cool.
Oh. Well, grab something. Oh, God.
That would be a car, son.
No. No. Wait.
We already have a way. And a silver one.
What do you like something like?
Well then.
Here's a whole ass show of it and everything. Wow.
Like a fashion show for a car.
Awesome. Literally showing you every.
Like a runway.
That is awesome.
That's pretty freaking cool.
And if y'all would like to follow me.